Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel. Here's a sneak peek of what we're going to be making today. We're going to be making another resin freestanding crystal. I made one of these. I was trying to make an amethyst previously, so if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it down below. Be sure to go check it out. So let's jump in and get started. I am actually using the Unicone art resin for this project. I'm using black pearl mica powder, that's this here, and Arteza periwinkle glow mica powder, and I was showing I added a tiny bit of black to the periwinkle glow, and we're going to be pouring this in layers. And I also had a few other crystals I was working on as well. All these molds came from Lynn Donovan Art. I'll link her site down below. She makes some really awesome crystal molds. So I wanted to pour this in layers so the colors wouldn't blend as much, and I knew I wanted to, put the periwinkle glow next to the dark black pearl because that was really going to make it pop. And that was all I did for this layer. I mixed my resin up off camera just to save time, but if you're new to resin and you want to see a tutorial showing step by step how to mix your resin and your pigments, I'll link one of my tutorials down below in the description box. Be sure to go check that out if you want to see how to mix your resin and your pigments. So this is the next day, 24 hours later. I'm just filling the molds up the rest of the way with clear, and you can see the bubbles starting to form on the big freestanding crystal here, and they're slowly moving up towards the center of the mold. And what I'm going to do is go in with some 91% isopropyl alcohol, spray it on the wet resin, and it pops the bubbles right away. So you can do that because you don't really want to use heat on your molds if you can avoid it, because it does damage them quickly, and especially a torch. A torch can really ruin your molds. So I like to spray the 91% isopropyl alcohol, and that was it. I just covered it up, let it dry for 24 hours, and here's how it turned out. Check out how sparkly and beautiful. So this is just basically like, a decoration piece. I'm gonna put it on my little bookshelf that I have, and you could get real creative with it and make these in any color that you want. It's got a really gorgeous sparkle. And I did use the Unicone art resin on these pieces. It's really good for projects like this because it's super clear and it's a thinner viscosity, so it has very few bubbles. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. You can get it on Amazon. I'll link it down below. And you can kind of see on this little crystal here how clear it was. I didn't use a pressure pot or anything. And I also made a set of coasters previously, a set of Milky Way coasters using the Unicone art resin as well. I'll link that down below and leave it at the end card screen of this video. Just click that and it'll take you straight to it. I wanted to show you guys how cool the reflection is when the sun goes through the crystal. Check out all those fun prisms on the back. It's really sparkly in the natural light, so this would be really pretty on like a side table, or maybe even sitting like in a windowsill. I don't know. I just think it's really, really gorgeous. It's one of my favorite molds, and I love how it's freestanding. And it takes about 6 ounces of resin. I would mix up maybe 8, and then you'll have a little bit left over. And I wanted to show you guys these fun prisms it was casting. Super, super awesome. I'll be sure to link all the materials I used down below in the description box, along with any coupon codes that I have. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Thank you guys so, so much for watching this video. I appreciate you guys so much. And if you liked the video, please leave me a like, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new, and go check out a few more of my other videos. That would really help me out a lot. I hope you guys are all doing good, and I will see you soon for another video. Bye!